Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on threads on Instagram bio, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on threads on Instagram bio, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. At the bottom right, tap on it, and over here guys, on the middle section of the screen you can see there is the edit profile option available for us just below the professional dashboard. Tap on it guys, and before we proceed guys, do make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because 99% of the person who view these tutorial videos don't like and subscribe. And please do make sure to like and subscribe because it gives me a lot of support. And with that being said guys, let's scroll down, and here you can see there is the show threads badge option available for us guys. Now in order to turn on threads on Instagram bio, tap on that toggle icon at the right side of it. When it turns to blue guys, your threads will be enabled on Instagram, or the threads will be turned on Instagram bio. And there guys, this is how to turn on threads on Instagram bio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.